Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this YouTube channel. Now in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a free $50 no deposit bonus, and as you can see right here on my screen boldly, this is the $50 no deposit bonus. And before we start this video, I'm going to be explaining the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you heard me right. You'll be getting a free $50 no deposit bonus and you'll be able to withdraw your profit. All you have to do is to watch this video carefully. Now, before I don't use to explain the terms and conditions of the no deposit bonuses I've been dropping, because a lot of people will refuse not to watch the video finish. But I promise you, if you don't watch this video finish, there is no way you'll be able to get this $50 no deposit bonus. And immediately you try claiming this $50 no deposit bonus without watching this video, you are going to forfeit your chance of getting this no deposit bonuses. And if you come to my comment section because you didn't watch the video, I won't be able to help you out because you've already forfeit your chance of getting the no deposit bonus. So because of you guys, I've made a video on how to get this free $50 no deposit bonus, and as you can see, these are the terms and conditions right here on my screen that shows that you can be able to withdraw. Now before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I want you to take a moment right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know that you are interested in making money online in 2026, or you are interested in getting your account funded every single day, we usually drop no deposit bonuses back to back, and free funded account and forex no deposit bonus back to back on my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel. So use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and hit the subscription button right here on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to on your notification button so that when next I drop a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. So now, without wasting too much of our time, the link to get this $50 no deposit bonus will be pinned in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. So the first step is for you to go to the description of this video and the comment section to click on the link, and it will take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get to my Telegram channel, you will see the no deposit bonuses that we've dropped in the past, and you will see the link to get this new $50 no deposit bonus. And I want you to know that this $50 no deposit bonus that you'll be getting today is a new account. Not a lot of people have heard about it, so make sure you make use of your chance and focus and watch this video to the very end, because there are some terms and conditions that are hidden that will also be explained in this video. So if you think this is all the terms and conditions you have to obey, then you've gotten it wrong. So now, without wasting too much of our time, let's start getting this free $50 no deposit bonus. So as you can see, no deposit bonus by Meekness, okay, by Meekness. So you will get a welcome bonus of $50 into your account automatically. Now let's listen to the terms and conditions. For this $50 no deposit bonus, you are required to register account. So the first thing for you to do is to register the account, but there are some hardship that you are going to be facing while registering the account. That is what I'll be simplifying for you inside this video. So to avail the $50 no deposit bonus, you must apply for $50 no deposit bonus from your membership login. So that is what I will be showing you. No deposit bonus will be credited to your no deposit bonus account. This no deposit bonus is in the ownership of the company, not cashable. You can withdraw it immediately. Only trading FX currencies are allowed. Clients can only place trade volume of 0.01 in a single trade. 1,000 target earned with no deposit bonus. $50 will be credited into the live account. So to transfer the profit from your NDB, client must complete the trading of 5 lots. So the total lot size you must complete is 5 lots. Leverage cannot be changed, okay? The leverage cannot be changed. I will show you the things you have to know. Maximum profit, which can be, so these ones are not important. The profit can be withdrawn from the live account at any time. You can withdraw the money at any time as far as you've obeyed the terms and conditions I'm explaining. If the equity is less than $50, withdrawal will be rejected. So you must trade more than $50 or else your withdrawal will be rejected. The maximum number of active trading days is 30. You must trade it for 30 days. you must trade it within 30 days. If you don't trade it between 30 days, you will lose the account. The minimum number of position open is 5. No deposit bonus are not withdrawable or depositable or transferable. That means the no deposit bonus cannot be depositable. You can't be able to deposit it. As you can see, this is it. After, it will be valid for 1 month. After 1 month, they will cancel it. So the earlier the better. Profit earned using the no deposit bonus is under the ownership of the company, and it can be cancelled anytime. Trading bonus credit with this no deposit bonus is eligible for commission. You can also earn by commission. So now let me show you how to get this free $50 no deposit bonus. If you fast forwarded this video, I will advise you to go back, because if you don't obey what I've explained, there is no way you'll be able to get this $50 no deposit bonus. And don't forget, it requires no deposit at all. So the first thing you want to do is to click on open account here. So just click on open account. So once you click on it, it's gonna take you to a place like this. The first thing you have to do is to enter your name, your email, your password. Confirm your password by entering it again. Choose your city, enter your phone number, and make sure you let them know that you are not a robot. And after that, click on sign up. So let me just do mine, and I will get back to you shortly. So immediately I'm done. As you can see, they brought out something like save. So you must click on save in order for you to be able to log in easier next time. Okay, so once you click on save, it will be easier for you to log in next time. Okay, so before I continue, make sure that the password you choose is correctly and intact. Make sure that the password you choose is intact. Now I'll be using this. Before we claim this free $50 no deposit bonus, I'll be using this demo account to show you how you can start trading by using your $50 no deposit bonus. Now I'll be using this demo account for example. So let's start by using this demo. Click on open demo account. So once you click on open demo account, hold on, click on open demo account, go back to click on open demo account. So once you click on open demo account, as you can see, live account, standard. It is possible for you to also withdraw from your demo account, but let me just show you. As you can see, this is no deposit bonus account. We haven't opened it yet, but we'll open it. So I just want to use the demo to show you. As you can see, I want to use the demo for example. Just click on get trading access. I agree with their terms and click on get now. I want you to be able to see. As you can see, approved. Your demo account has been opened. So let me show you how you can connect it with your MT5. So the next thing for you to do is for you to come to your email. We'll still get our free $50 no deposit bonus. I'm just using this one to show you for example. Okay, I'm just using this one for example. So hold on a bit, don't be in hurry. Okay, so let's just scroll it down. We are waiting for the login details, because the login details will be sent to your email. Let's go to our spam. As you can see, there is nothing in our spam. So let's go to all boxes. So once you get there, just scroll down. Let's keep on waiting for their message. I don't know the reason why they are very slow while sending the message, or maybe we might be doing it the wrong way. So scroll down again. So since they've not sent the email yet, I guess something might be wrong. Okay, so this is it. This is the demo we choose. So they didn't send it to our email account. So in order, you'll see something like this under this no deposit bonus account after we've gotten our free $50. So you'll see login details like this. So all you have to do in order for you to connect it with your MT5 is to copy your ID. As you can see, this is my ID, and also copy your password. So once you've copied your ID, the next thing for you to do is for you to come to your MT5 Trader app. Click on this. Okay, so once you've clicked on this, click on this again, click on this plus sign, So once you click on this plus sign, just come back here. Let's get the name of the platform. Okay, let's get the name of the platform. So the name of the platform is Mekness. So just search for Mekness. So as you can see, this is Mekness over here. So inside this login space, just paste the ID you copied the other time and copy your password. The reason why I'm not blurring the password from you guys is because it's a demo account. Soon we'll be claiming our free $50 no deposit bonus. So once you click on it, just click on login. So let's hold on a bit. So just click on login. So no connection. So assuming it's your no deposit bonus, you will see your $50 no deposit bonus right here. So now let me show you how to get your free $50 no deposit bonus. So scroll down. As you can see, this is the no deposit bonus account. So click on no deposit bonus account. So once you click on no deposit bonus account, as you can see, you don't have any. So this is it, the terms and conditions for the no deposit bonus we're about to claim. That is why I told you that you should watch this video to the very end. New client will receive $50 bonus upon successful account creation, as you can see. So you must make sure that you verify your account. So the next thing for you to do is for you to verify your account. So to qualify for further benefits, clients must grow their account balance to 1,000 using $50 no deposit bonus. As you can see, this is it. Once the client has reached $1,000, you will receive another $50. And as you can see, this is it here. This is it here. This is the withdrawals terms and conditions. So just click on create one. But before you click on create one, you must, as you can see, this is it right here. This is the bonus account right here. This is the bonus account. We've gotten our $50. This is the $50 right here. This is the $50 right here. As you can see, this is it. These are the details. Okay, so all you have to do is to take the ID and the password to go and log in your account. But make sure you verify your account because it is really important. Make sure you verify your account. It is really important. Okay. So as you can see, the next thing for you to do is for you to paste your ID here. Once you paste your ID, so the next thing for you to do is for you to go back to the platform, copy the password. I'm trying to show you how to log in your $50 no deposit bonus account. Copy your password and click on this. So click on login. So immediately you'll see your $50 no deposit bonus. You'll see it will be credited immediately. I don't know the reason why the authorization is failing. To be credited immediately. So you'll see your $50 immediately. You'll see it immediately. Right now, I don't know the reason why it's bringing. As you can see, this is your $50 no deposit bonus here. So you'll receive an email from them. So make sure you verify your account so that you can be able to start trading peacefully. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I love you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, and subscribe.